Just about 10 or 15 minutes ago, we have our first winter storm watches placed in effect for New Year's Day. For now, these are just over southern Pennsylvania through Bedford and Fulton counties, but I expect to see this winter storm watch expanded down into portions of western Maryland and the eastern West Virginia panhandle as the day progresses along. Again, this is for New Year's Day, as we are expecting to see that wintry mess of a storm system roll its way our direction, making things certainly a bit slick and icy out there as conditions roll along. Temperature-wise, this afternoon we warmed up nicely, though. It's pretty quiet out there today, upper 30s, lower 40s just about everywhere across the viewing area. Southerly winds are helping with that. It is breezy once again at about 15 to 25 miles an hour at times, but this time around it's not that chilly northwest wind like what we were dealing with yesterday that created a pretty chilly environment. Now overall, clouds have also broken up from earlier this morning, and we're wedged right in between a good deal of cloud cover to our south and to our north. There's that approaching cold front that's going to impact our conditions tonight and getting into the day tomorrow. But for the time being, we remain on the quiet side. But light rainfall moves in tonight. It's going to last throughout the day tomorrow, but there's going to be plenty of dry time mixed in with that precipitation. We could also see a little bit of light snowfall over the mountains very briefly tomorrow morning. And then that's the first storm system. We'll have some dry time in between the two systems Thursday night going into Friday morning, which is New Year's Eve, into the start of New Year's Day. And then the freezing rain threat, the timing is backed up a little bit more, but it's now into the afternoon on New Year's Day. So the second half of the holiday going into the early overnight, that's when conditions will get the iciest and we'll see the best chance for any sort of freezing rain. But again, today is quiet the rest of the way through. We'll see those clouds mixed with sun, but we're going to turn more mostly cloudy overnight. Here comes that rainfall again. It's going to be along a broken line as it arrives tomorrow morning very early on. The first showers will arrive in southern PA just after midnight. Well, there's that snow that could mix in over Garrett County, and then we're going to keep with that chance for light rainfall here and there across the viewing area throughout your Thursday morning and afternoon. But like I mentioned, here comes that quiet time we're going to get Thursday night into Friday with the next bit of precip arriving from the south. And here's where we can see that best chance for freezing rain, mostly during the afternoon on Friday. It's going to be, again, across southern PA, getting back into western Maryland. That's where the most prolonged freezing rain could be. And then we have still a chance across the eastern panhandle. And they do expand this back into Frederick County a little bit there, too. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that, and travel could be a bit treacherous as we roll into the end of New Year's Day. It's all going to switch over to rainfall as we head into your Friday night. But before that happens, freezing rain mixed with a little bit of sleet is pretty likely with this system then on Friday afternoon. All rainfall expected Saturday and Sunday as temperatures warm back up, and then we finally quiet down very early on next week.